Okay, so here is the logarithmic equation that we want to solve. First, we want to make sure that everything is written as base 3. Now notice that the exponent is the log term, the two log terms. The exponent of 3 is log x base 3 minus log of 2 base 3. Alright, let's change the 27 as base 3. So that's 3 to the 3 is 27. Rewriting the left hand side. And notice that now that we have the same bases, the exponents must be the same because they are equal to each other. Okay, so that's the reasoning behind that. So now let's equate the exponents only. That's what we're doing. All right, so just the exponents we are bringing down, nothing else. So here's the exponent right here, which is there, and this is the exponent of the left hand side expression. All right, this is what we're doing right now. Excellent. Now let's go through and simplify this one. According to log law, this is log of x divided by 2 base 3 equals to 3. Excellent. And now change to exponential form. We can say 3 to the power of 3 is equal to x divided by 2. We're changing the log to the exponential form. That is the exponential form. We're just changing to the exponential form. And then from here, this is 27 times 2 is equal to x. And therefore 54 is equal to x. Now you can go ahead and check and make sure that it is true. So plug in x into the original equation, create. So what we want to do, when you substitute 54 for x, and that's what you are going to get, we want to see if the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Does it equal to 27? So let's go through that. So this is 3. This part right here, the top part, we're just going to use the log law. So the top part becomes log of 54 divided by 2 base 3. Is that equal to 27? And now we get 3. The top part right here, that is log of 27 base 3. Is that equal to 27? All right. Well, log of 27 base 3, we know what that is. That's 3, right? Is that equal to 27 now? 3 to the 3 is equal to 27? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So the answer here is correct.